trees are the French drain's kryptonite, so additional measures need to be taken. The clients that are looking for a really good system and willing to pay to have us go to this extreme, they end up with a system that they're never going to have to worry about. Okay, this pipe that you see right here, it's 15 inches approximately inside diameter, and it's 18 and a half outside diameter. It's about 3/8 of an inch thick. This high density polyethylene pipe has over 100-year life expectancy. We use this to separate the tree roots from the French drain system. See, we're going by this oak tree, and this oak tree is just getting started. It's well on its way, but it's already messed up the drainage in this swaled area, and we're going around it. What we do is we do an overdig. And the reason why I'm doing this video blog now is so you can see the anatomy of this. So we do an overdig, and that's why you see water in the bottom of it. We overdig this 6 inches deeper than the rest of the system. So this tree can lift this system in this area, and it won't affect it. It will still drain because of the overdig. The tree roots will grow in size underneath the system. It will lift it, and that would cause a damming effect. However, we did an overdig. We're too deep. We are allowing for this to happen, knowing that this is going to happen in the future. Matter of fact, you can see how deep we are. Here's the sprinkler lines. They look really shallow, but they're not. That's how deep we are. So this is one of the things you can do when you're trying to protect yourself from tree roots. It's obviously an option. It's a lot of work. We dig 20 by 20 to get that in and make that happen. And then the rest of the system's the way all our videos are. You know our systems if you watch. If you subscribe and you watch, there's some sprinkler lines through the landscape there. We tunneled under the fence. For French drain system, for perimeter French drains, curtain French drains, yard drainage systems, backyard sump pump systems, sump pump lines, give us a call.